Varrox moved faster than should have been possible for a being of his formidable bulk and age. He knocked the Hellfather's assault cannon aside on his jaw, then bit onto the gun barrel, teeth screaming, chewing out fat sparks as his fist slammed into the Hellfather's girdle plate with a resonant thud. The Hellfather did not seem to register the impact, driving his chain fist into Varrox's thick shoulder armor and beginning to carve. Varrox's mouth distended, throat rippling with a silent growl. Not with pain so much as exhilaration. He had been waiting a century or more to feel that kind of pain. Agar Varrox serves as an Iron Father of the Iron Hands during the era Indomitus, commanding Clan Vergan as its senior Iron Captain. This veteran Astartes epitomizes the blunt, yet effective nature of the most venerated exemplars of his creed. Noted for his augmetic, diamantite chainblade teeth and pugnacious character, regardless of his brutal demeanor, Varrox has benefited from superior training by his kin and Mechanicus Magos Uriel Vi. Despite his specialization as a tech marine, as all Iron Fathers must learn, Varrox never actively served as such, preferring to bludgeon his enemies to red smears as his acts of service to the Imperium. Vaunted for his service during the Tau Second Sphere of Expansion within the Western Vale, despite the chapter's failure to win the day, Varrox's tenacious grit impressed the Iron Council enough to see to his elevation. Mentoring the unorthodox Iron Father, Cardan Stronos, during his years as a neophyte, his swift rise through the ranks of the Iron Hands amusing Varrox as he reminisced on the damage he had caused to his Thunderfire cannon during combat with the Tau Xenos on the world of Batacan, demanding as penance he must repair it, to which to this day he has strived to no avail. Clad in a heavily modified panoply of Indomitus plate Terminator armor, myriad Ducatian sigils mark each world in Xenos Empire purged by his hands. The war trophies hung from his war harness, such as spent shell casings, traitor totems, and Xenos skulls, embellishing his already intimidating visage. The most prominent adherent to the Endurist belief that Ferrus Manus had never been slain and shall return should his sons exceed their strength to heights he deemed worthy. His peers tolerate his adherence to such a death cult should it not interfere with his duties. Discovering the original text of Ferrus Manus, the Canticles of Travel, alongside a war-ravaged fragment of his Primarch's armor with aid from epistolary Lydric Noxin, their readings of the text proved to conflict with copies made and disseminated throughout their chapter. Modified by the Mechanicus to better manipulate the Iron Hands, the voice of Mars, Nico Palpus, confirmed that the doctrines of the Brazen Claws and Red Talons aligned with the original text, much to the chagrin of Lydric. Attacked by a Hellfather, enthralled to the commands of Palpus, Varrox reveled in the pain he endured, as his senses rejoiced at the most exhilarating battle he had fought in over a century, his body engulfed in flame of promethium and melting the flesh from his face. The voice of Mars vaporized by the Death Cult assassin, Sarah Valorn, with a blast of her hotshot lasgun. Varrox survived the engagement through sheer force of will and stubborn defiance. His exposed bones and dislodged gears tended to upon his return to the Iron Council. Exceeding 700 years of service to his chapter, now allied to the cause of his former protege, Cardan Stronos, his brusque nature and obstinate will to survive, befitting a powerful ally for the long-standing war leader of the Iron Tenth.